Good morning, children. Children, yesterday we completed lesson 10, A and the. Today we are going to learn the new lesson, lesson 11. And the name of the lesson is the pronoun. The name of the lesson is the pronoun. Children, you have already learned what is noun. What is noun, children? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. That is called noun. Noun is the naming words. Noun is the naming words. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. And what are pronouns now? In this lesson we are going to learn about pronouns. The word which we use instead of noun, that is called pronoun. What is pronoun? The words which we use instead of nouns, in place of nouns, that is called pronouns. Suppose if you are saying some 2-3 sentences about Ravi, so every sentence you will not use Ravi. First time you will say Ravi, and from second sentence you have to change and you have to use the pronoun there. And Ravi is a boy, so you have to use the pronoun he. You will say he then. Second sentence, third sentence and all, you have to use he. You will not use there Ravi. Only first time you will use. Clear, children? Now we will read from the lesson and you will understand more. Take page number 53. Children, please take your grammatics book. Lesson 11. Page number 53. Read the following paragraph. Rahul was late to school. He explained to the headmaster that he was late because he had taken a sick old woman to the hospital on his bicycle as she could not walk. The headmaster patted his back and said, "We are proud to have you as our student." Children, here you can see some words are highlighted. Some words are written in red color. Isn't it? So, those words are the pronouns there. Here what is written? In this paragraph, the words he, she, we and you are pronouns. And these words are highlighted there. These words are written in red color. Okay, so these words we use instead of nouns. And the definition of pronoun also is given. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. What is the definition of pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. That means instead of noun, in place of noun, the word which we use, that is called pronoun. Read the following sentences. This is Kavita. Kavita is an intelligent girl. Kavita respects her parents and elders. Kavita goes to school daily. Everybody praises Kavita. In these sentences, the word Kavita is repeated many times. We use another word in its place to stop this repetition. To stop the repetition, to avoid the repetition, we use another word that is called the pronoun. Here you can see Kavita is given in every line. So that is not the method. Only one time you will use Kavita there, and from second line onwards you have to use the pronoun for that. If that's a girl, you will use she. If that's a boy, you have to use he. Thus, above sentences can be written in the following way. This is Kavita. She is an intelligent girl. She respects her parents and elders. She goes to school daily. Everybody praises her. In these sentences, we have used she and her in place of Kavita. These words are known as personal pronouns. So, these two words we say personal pronouns. Read the following sentences. I am Mohini. Mamta gave me a book. This computer is mine. We are classmates. Our class teacher praised us for good homework. These books are ours. In these sentences, I, me, mine, we, us and ours are personal pronouns of the first person. The first person pronouns. The first person pronouns are first person pronouns. The first person pronouns. There are three kinds of persons. First person pronoun, second person pronoun and third person pronoun. So here we are learning the first person pronoun. The first person pronoun is I, me, then mine, we, us, then ours. So these words are called first person pronouns. Children, read this once more. I, me, mine, we, us, ours. These are called first person pronouns. These words are called first person pronouns. All these words are pronouns. And these words are called first person pronouns. Now, what is this first person pronouns? All pronouns that are used for the persons speaking are called pronouns of the first person. These are the persons speaking. These are the persons speaking. When we read a sentence, we can know that this person is speaking here. So such sentences, such words are called first person pronouns. Person speaking. Person here first person pronouns means persons speaking. Persons speaking. That is called pronouns of the first person. Now we are going to learn about the second person. So read the next line, children. Read the following sentences. You are a good player. These photographs are yours. In these sentences, you and yours are personal pronouns of the second person. Now, personal pronouns of the second person. Here, first person pronouns. Now, we are going to learn about second person pronouns. Now, we are going to learn about second person pronouns. Second person pronouns are, which are they? You and yours. You and yours. You, yours. These two are the second person pronouns. These are the second person pronouns. And what these second person pronouns do? All pronouns that are used for the persons spoken to are called pronouns of the second person. All pronouns that are used for the persons spoken to. Here the person speaking and here the persons spoken to. To whom we are speaking. To whom we are speaking, that is called person spoken to, and that we call second person, and that is called second person. And the second person is here you and yours. Children, there are three kinds of persons. First person pronouns, second person pronouns, and third person pronouns. And today we have learned first person, second person. Third person we will learn tomorrow. Okay? So what are the first person pronouns? I, me, mine, we, us, ours. These are the first person pronouns. And what they do? This is the persons speaking. In a sentence, these are the people speaking. This is the person speaking. Okay, next one, second person pronoun. And in second person pronoun, which are the second person pronoun? You and yours. And what are they doing? They are the persons spoken to whom we are speaking, to whom we are talking. That is called person spoken to, and that is second person. And now third person is there. Third person we will learn tomorrow. So this much is for today. And whatever you have got today, the homework, I will be sending the PDF. You have to read page number 53 and 54. And children, I have sent the notes also of lesson 10. Lesson 10 I have sent the notes, study material. So write in your English 1 copy. Lesson 10 you will write in your English 1 copy. And this is lesson 11. When I will complete this lesson, I will be sending this lesson notes also. Okay? So study well children, prepare well. Okay, bye. Thank you.